in this video, what I'm gonna do is finish our model side design. It means Connect4 game. We'll put our pieces right inside this data structure, and let's finish this one. Description of a board. So let's print out a empty board instead of those text. So we start from this one, and let's try to add a dot. Okay, a single dot. So this equals itself plus concatenated, right? With a dot. Okay, now we can run okay, so description, yeah, so that's auto fix this guy. You see, this is changed to var because now we modify it. Okay, so we can run all the test cases by using a shortcut key, Command U. Okay, let's bring up this guy here, and we don't need the left half of the pane. So yeah, this is the dot we get. Now let's print up a row, right? A whole row of it. Let's use okay, so there's a better syntax for this one. This, right, equals itself plus something, so we can use something like plus equal. Let's run it. Command U to run the test case, to run this one. Okay, yeah, same thing here. Now let's add our for loop to output all of them. So that here is the column, right? We have 7 columns. So 0 dot that's then column. Oh, because it's static, so we have to use this data type dot column. No, wrong. For game, this one dot columns. Now let's put this guy here. Let's test it. Command U. Okay, they are too crowded, right, with each other. Let's add a space here, somewhere here. Okay, do it again. Nice. Now we need 6 rows of them, right? Okay, so let's create another one for loop. Now row in 0 dot dot, that's then Connect4 game dot rows. Now let's put this guy here to repeat 6 times. Command U to run it. Oh, we need line break, right, to separate each row. But let's fix this one first. Okay, so where do we put the line break? Here, right, after each row. So DESC plus equal, what is the \n, right, is the line break token. So Command U again. Okay, nice. This is our empty board. Let's add the top labels like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 there. We can do something like that. 4 column in 0 dot dot less than game dot columns. So we have 6 of them, and we'll do something like that. Append our column. We have to use this this syntax to output the value of this variable, and we need a space, right? Like that. Let's try. That's good. The only thing missing is a line break after this row. So easy, right? Let's add a backslash. Nice. Now let's add the vertical label 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left of each row. How to do that? So this is each row, right? Each row. So we need to insert something in front of it. DESC. What should it be? The row, right? And maybe a space. Okay, let's give it a try. Nice. Now we only need to push this row, right, to the right by 2 spaces. Okay, 2 spaces here. Cool. Now let's add a data structure inside our game engine here to hold on. Oh, we are already here. We can move down this a little bit so we can see. We can still see. Oh no. Yeah, this is good. We need a data structure to hold on all our pieces. Let's use set. Set is like a container. Okay, so we have to use var because we'll change this set, right, by adding more pieces. So name, pieces. What pieces? What is the data type? A set of Connect4 piece. Connect4 piece. Yes. Equals what? A set of Connect4 piece. Yeah, this is how we create an empty container set. But the compiler complains about something. What is the something? Type Connect4 piece does not conform to protocol. Let's see. Protocol hashable. This is an advanced concept. So we'll introduce this later. So for now, it means the requirement of set container is every element inside the set, the container, has to be distinct. How to guarantee that? We only need to add a colon and a hashable in this data type, the data type of our element. So it means this one applies to protocol hashable. That's it. Now the compiler should be happy. Let's go back to here. Double check. That's Command B to force the compiler to compile. Now it's fine. So we have our pieces box to hold on all the pieces, right? Now let's go to our test file here to create another test unit test case. Something let's put it here. So test, enter, Connect4 board description. Okay, so test board with pieces. Okay, with pieces. So now let's create a game, right? Equals Connect4 game. When we create that, the game.py pieces is empty, right? So we can insert a new member. What is the new member? Let's create the new member, okay? So that first piece, the data type is Connect4 piece, of course, equals, how can we connect, how can we create a Connect4 piece? Connect4 piece, parentheses, enter. That's the default constructor or initializer. So let's put it, the first piece, let's put it here, okay? It means colon 0 and row 5. Okay, colon 0 and row 5. Color red, okay? Yes, why not? It's red, yes, true. Now we can insert this first piece. Okay, so what? Cannot use mutating, okay. The game is let. Now let's fix that. It changed the game from the let, the constant, to var variable. Now let's print out the game again to see. All right, so we can click here to run it. Yeah. Oh, sorry, the wrong one, this guy. But it's still empty. It's still empty, right? We should be able to see a piece here. A red piece, actually. That's because we haven't modified, right, the code yet here, the description of our board. So instead of always printing out a dot, so we need to check if there's a piece here, right? We need something, a different letter for here. Let's use a circle for red and X for yellow, okay? So how can we do that? I think we need a helper method to get a piece from our pieces box based on its location. So let's do it. Func piece at a location, right? So column, which column and which row, right? And return a piece. Connection, yeah, this guy. But wait a minute. What if there's no piece at this location? It's empty, right? Swift, the program language, has a very good feature for that, question mark. It means it can be new. Now let's add the logic here. So we'll loop through, right, all the pieces, piece in pieces. This is another way to do the for loop other than this one. This one is we provide a range 0 ... something, but here we can loop through a data structure. It's called collection. Okay, so for each piece, so yeah, let's compare the location of this piece with this guy, right? With this pair of location, yeah, pair of coordinates. So if col, right, colon equal piece, no, piece dot colon, and row equal, right? We use double equal sign to compare two values, and we use a single equal sign to do the assignment, right? Like that, like that. We assigned two spaces to this variable, but here double equals means comparison. If that equals piece dot row, what does that mean? It means we find, right? We find a piece at this location, so we can return the piece. Return the piece. Now, what if after the for loop. We never find the piece, right? So we have to return something. What? Nil means we find nothing. Now with this out of the way, we can use it here. Yeah, we can put logic here. If no, let's get the piece out. That piece equal to piece at, right? Piece at column, yes, is this column, right? Is this column. And the row is that row, right? We check each column and each row. So row here. Now since we have the piece, we can check, right? If piece is nil, then what? We just put a dot there, right? It's empty. There's no piece there. Otherwise, we can put a piece there, right? Like that. We use a lowercase o for the red one, but we need to check which color it is, right? So we can do something like that. If piece dot color, right? Oh, no, is red, right? Then we can put this guy there. What does that mean? The question mark, it means the piece could be nil, but here inside this block, we are guaranteed it's not nil, right? So we can do like something like that. What's the else? It means it's a yellow, right? It's not a red piece, it's a yellow piece. So let's use another one, maybe this one for the yellow piece. Okay, let's try it. Command U to test. What's wrong? Oh, I know why. Yes, it's here. So this time we cannot use, it's better to, because this one is from the other test case. So let's also open the test file. So hold on Option key and click this one. Yeah, and we can hide this one to. Oh, we don't need the simulator for this moment, so we can use that. So this is where we tested the board with piece, right? With pieces. Let's run it again. Nice, you see? Now let's add another. Okay, so first piece. Let's change this a little bit. So cut and put it here directly. So we don't need this line. Let's make it wider so we don't insert. It should be okay. So let's run it. Oh, my bad. Yeah, we just insert a piece there, our first piece. So it should be the same. Run it. Yes, now let's make a copy of that and insert another piece. So this time, let's try column 1, okay? Column 1 and use our yellow piece. So fourth for is red. Let's give a try. Nice, right? So we can print out any like state of our game using our description of the board. That's it for today. See you next time.